Guys, I'm Roz from New Zealand and I wanted to do a video testimonial for Andrew's Facebook group course. I have been on his group or been in his group and a very big partaker in his products, buying them for the last couple of years, and his Facebook group training is absolutely amazing. Now, I sat on the fence with it for a while. I was one of these people that purchased it and didn't do enough with it at the time. But in the last sort of 6 to 7 months, I've gone back into the course and I have used all his strategies and all the learnings in there to actually create a Facebook group where I'm now getting people to pay me to do workshops, which is what I want to do. So I'm building a great community within the health, fitness and wellness niche, and I'm also training them on how they can create their own community vibe with Facebook groups. So as far as income goes for me, I doubled my income after using the strategies in there, probably within a good probably 4 months for me, maybe a little bit slow compared to some, but his group training and his strategies are awesome. So if you are thinking of doing this, please hop on and grab yourself the course. You won't regret it. Don't sit on the fence like I did for a while and grab it and not do it all. But now I'm helping my clients do the same with theirs and helping them create an awesome following within a Facebook group to then obviously teach and train themselves. So thank you, Andrew. It's been great, and I look forward to lots more new learnings from you to come.